How to change age on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change age on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change the age on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, launch the Twitter application here. Once you launch the Twitter app, just tap the profile icon from the top left, then you want to scroll down, go to this option known as settings and support over here, as you would be able to find it. Now, in case you don't find in settings and support, what I want you to do is when you're on this page, you might also want to just try to go to the profile option here. Once you come to edit profile option, here you'll find edit profile again. Tap on the edit profile button, and when you are on this page, you'll find this option known as birth date. So you want to make sure to just tap on this option, and then here you'll find birth date. Make sure to tap on it again, tap on the edit button, and now you can just go ahead and change your birthday depending upon whichever year you want to create. Then just tap the continue option to save the changes. This way you would have successfully changed your birthday, or more importantly, your age on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.